Welcome back to the new session. Our new chapter is Jets and Mugs. Before moving to the topic, shall I ask a question, dear ones? Have you liked milk? Yes, it is very tasty. How much quantity do you like to drink? 1 cup, 2 cups, more than 3 cups? Yes, very good. Drink milk and be healthy. Okay? So children, about this means quantity. We have to study today. Okay?
Children, in our daily life, we measured the quantity of various liquids such as petrol, oil, milk, etc. Isn't it? The quantity of a liquid that a container or vessel can hold is its capacity or volume. That is, the capacity of a container tells us how much of a liquid it can hold. Children, different containers have different quantities. Now, let's move on. Units of measuring capacity. We can measure the large quantities such as milk, petrol, oil and water in liters, and small quantities such as medicine, hair oil and shampoo in milliliters. We denote liters in L and milliliters in ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Children, look here, some measuring equipments are for you. Children, next we can move on the conversion of capacity. Children, remember one thing, we can convert liters into milliliters in the same way as we did for converting kilograms into grams.
The first question is 24 liters. As we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, we can multiply the numbers of liters by 1000. Therefore, 24 liters is equal to 24 into 1000 milliliters. 24 into 1, which is equal to 24. Children, how many zeros are here? Yes, here are 3 zeros. Write 3 zeros in right side of 24.
Thus the answer is 24,000 milliliters.
Children, next question is 5 liters 250 milliliters. This question is slightly different from previous question. Here we have both liters and milliliters. Am I right? Children, already we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. In this question, first we have to convert 5 liter. 5 into 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 5000 milliliters. Children, next what? Next we have to add it. That means 5000 milliliters is added to 250 milliliters. Children, arrange the numbers in respective places and add it. 5000 plus 250.
0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 5. So children, the answer is 5250 milliliters. Okay. Now we can move on addition of capacity. Children, first question for you. 54 liters 280 milliliters plus 32 liters 318 milliliters. To add the measures in liters and milliliters, we have to arrange them in two columns of liters and milliliters. Then add it separately. Okay. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. Then we have to move to liter section. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is 86 liters 598 milliliters. Children, next session and the topic is subtraction of capacity. Children, the question is 86 liters 850 milliliters minus 62 liters 530 milliliters. We have to find the difference between given measures. We arrange them in two columns of liters and milliliters and subtract them separately. Okay. First, we have to subtract milliliter section. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. After milliliter section, we have to move liter section. Okay. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Thus the answer is 24 liters 320 milliliters. Okay. Children, next we have to move word problems related to capacity. Children, the question is Rohan bought 26 liters 350 milliliters of red paint and 32 liters 400 milliliters of white paint. How much liters of paint he bought in all? Children, you are familiar with word problem, isn't it? Always care while writing steps. So children, start writing answers. Quantity of red paint 26 liters 350 milliliters. Quantity of white paint 32 liters 400 milliliters. The total quantity of paint 26 liters 350 milliliters plus 32 liters 400 milliliters. Children, arrange the numbers in appropriate place such as liters and milliliters.
Children, first we have to add the milliliter section. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. After milliliter section, we have to move to liter section. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. So the answer is 58 liters, 750 milliliters. Okay?
Children, next question for you. Reena purchased 45 liters 760 milliliters of mustard oil and consumed 24 liters 500 milliliters of it. How much oil is left? Children, here in this question, we have to find the remaining oil. So, what to do? Yes, use the subtraction method. Okay?
Quantity of oil purchased 45 liters 760 milliliters. Quantity of oil consumed 24 liters 500 milliliters. The quantity of oil left 45 liters 760 milliliters minus 24 liters 500 milliliters. Children, arrange the measurement numbers in appropriate place like this. Children, first we have to subtract the milliliter section. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. After milliliter section, we have to move to liter section. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 21 liters 260 milliliters. Okay, children?
Children, next is an activity. This activity is from your textbook based on this chapter. So, children, please open the page at 156. Match the right pairs. First one, about 12 liters, 4 bucket. Second one, less than half liter, 4 eye drops bottle. Third one, about 5 liters, 4 water suragi. Fourth one, 1000 liters, 4 water tank. Last one, half liter, for to measure milk. Dear ones, match it appropriately. Okay?
Children, today's session is very interesting for you, isn't it? Whenever you have time, always do this type of measuring methods in your household things. Stay safe, stay home. Okay? Thank you.